And it's important to know that the 7 trumpets are not the great tribulation yet. It's not the last 3.5 years of Daniel's 70th week yet. It's not the day of the Lord yet. The 7 trumpets are used, and what's a trumpet used for? It's used to warn. It's used to announce. So these trumpets, no matter how severe they are and how cataclysmic they are, it's important to remember that they are but warning. They are warning the world of the judgment that is still coming. For instance, if the warning light on your car's dash come up, is that the real problem right there? Is that the real problem, the warning light? It warns you, listen, if you don't stop now, klomp geld. Ne? There's major trouble coming if you don't pay attention to this. And the same thing with the trumpets. The trumpets are warning the world of the great day of the Lord that's coming. And over in the Old Testament, you read of the day of the Lord, not a literal 24-hour day, but a unique period of time in the history of the world. You know, at the end of the ages, the last 3.5 years of Daniel's 70th week, when God will judge and destroy sinful people in this world. Not in hell only. No, don't think many people think they're the Lord only in hell. No, in this world, in this life. People wearing jeans and shoes like you and me. Sinners will be judged in this world, in this life, in the day of the Lord. And Isaiah 13, verse 6 to 13 speaks to the day of the Lord. He says in verse 6, wail, meaning cry, for the day of the Lord is near. It will come as destruction from the Almighty. So this is a day of destruction. Verse 9 says, behold, the day of the Lord is coming, cruel, with fury and burning anger, to make the land a desolation. There will be nothing left. And he will exterminate sinners from it. Gives you the idea how terrible this day of the Lord will be when God will exterminate sinners. He also speaks of the stars of heaven. Their constellations will not flash forth their light. The sun will be dark when it rises. The moon will not shed its light. Thus I will punish the world for its evil and the wicked for their iniquity. I will put an end to the arrogance of the proud. And so when we read of the trumpets in Revelation 8, friends, it is, no matter how cataclysmic it is, it's warning the world of even that greater judgment that's coming. It's the warning light on the dashboard that says there's greater trouble ahead if you don't pay attention to this now.